Hello and welcome to Praxiprax. In today's unboxing video, we will be unboxing my brand new Mac Mini along with its keyboard and mouse. So without much further ado, let's get started. So I bought the M1 8 gigs RAM and 256 GB SSD model of the Mac Mini. So let's get started with the unboxing. And here it is. That's relatively small for everything that's people been saying. This is relatively very tiny. I don't know. The smallest computer I've got before is the Alienware, the small one, the Alienware Alpha. This is way smaller than that. And I bet it's more powerful as well. Now, what else is inside the box? Some paperwork. I believe it will be some stickers and stuff as usual, of course. And the power cord. That's pretty much it. There is nothing else inside the box. I pretty much know that. So that's the Mac Mini, my very first Macintosh computer. Okay. Yikes. Now on to the next one. I'm going to be unboxing the Magic Keyboard. Oops. Some paperwork and a charging cable. That's it. Now on to the Magic Mouse. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick unboxing of my new iMac and its accessories. I will be setting this up in my bedroom, and once it's all set up, I'll show you how it looks in a later video, not today. Okay? Until next time, it's bye from Praxiprax.